styles that were in the guest bath. And I think they're the same ones that are actually in here too. So really, really pretty. Oh, and by the way, this has 2 shower heads. Really, really cool. Love that. So great shower. Absolutely cool. All right, so beautiful. Love this. And love those 2 closets. Problem solvers. And all right, so let's take a quick look at the just the apartment again. There's where you came in. There's the bathroom. That's the guest bathroom. There's the closet. There's the washer dryer area, and then we're just walking around just so you can get a good final sweep and just see everything with the views. You've got this beautiful area here. Couldn't you see yourself spending a lot of time here, just enjoying this? This is so pretty. And then this kitchen is very inviting. It's simple, elegant, and inviting. I really, really love it. Very pretty. And gas, so that's just gorgeous. Just beautiful model. Beautiful model. This would be a fun life here. Okay, we're finished with this, and we're going to do a final video in just a moment.